Hello. So now I show you how to show or hide subscribers on mobile. So simple, go to Google Chrome. Okay, type here what I'm saying. You type here, click on search bar. YouTube dashboard. Click. Okay, so then you need to click on studio.youtube.com. Okay, this is the title box which you open here. Make sure the here is a what I see you. Make sure here is your account. Okay, yes is engineering software. Back, click back. Okay, click on this. But I show you how to change your or switch your account if you want to change if your email login here or different. So how you will change the email? Click on your email account and here switch account. Okay, so I have a very right account here, so I click on the top of three dots near to 15, click on dots and click on desktop site. Hence you go to desktop site, so you will have their data. I show you. Wait. Okay, so here disappear is a display and there will be a setting point at the end. Locate to the left side. Here is the setting. Click on setting. Click on channel. Click on advanced setting. Scroll down and don't show potentially in subscribe count. Here click on display the number of people subscribe my channel. Click on this. So hence you click this. Click on save. Now go to your channel. You will never show your subscriber here. I just show my another ID to show you about engineering software subscriber. Go here, your channel. So look at here, there is no subscriber affair. So I have to go once again and to show the subscriber. So go here and left bottom is setting, channel, advanced setting, scroll down, subscriber count and click display the number of people subscribe my channel and click on save. Hence you do this, complete the procedure and go to your YouTube. Here is no subscriber or affair, but you load the page. So look at here 1.2k subscriber. So this is the method how to show or hide or show the subscriber on mobile account. So it's hopefully it's understand to you. If you have any issue, please feel free contact me or text me. Thank you. Goodbye.